Hey, this is Jamie from Jamie's Garage, and this is my shop, Elite Motorworks. You guys seem to really like these shop vlog videos, so we're back again. It's Friday afternoon. We're gonna ask the guys one question. Let's see what they have to say. Jacob,
yeah.
You got one car, daily driver. You also occasionally take it to the track. Automatic or manual transmission? Or should I say 2 pedals, 3 pedals?
3 pedals.
3 pedals. What are you driving?
You're gonna laugh, but a 98 Volvo S70. It's pretty funny. It's pretty funny.
Yeah, you're right. We laughed. Automatic or manual transmission?
Manual all day.
3 pedals.
3.
I already have 3 pedals in my car.
Yeah, you're mini.
Yeah.
Rich, 2 pedals or 3 pedals?
3.
3. Speaking of, where's your car? Is it here today? You take it home.
Which one? Over?
Mm-hmm.
It's in back.
It's where?
In back. In the back. Yeah.
In the back. Oh, gotcha. I'd like to answer some of your guys' questions. So JW asked in the last shop vlog video I did was, how long do you guys warranty your repairs? For example, like if we did a cylinder head gasket. We warranty our repairs for 3 years and 36,000 miles. That's parts and labor, everything. We're pretty proud of our warranty. Oh yeah, there's Garrett, torquing it.
Oh yeah.
Woo.
Real good.
Torquing it real good. Automatic or manual transmission?
Definitely manual, all day.
I had these shirts made, and I wanted to show people how you say elite. 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 And the reason is because we would get phone calls, and they would say, yeah, is this Elite Motorworks? We're here to talk to you about funding and this and that. I'm like, no, wrong number. This is not Elite Motorworks.
I had to replace it.
This used to be rubber. It's turned to plastic. It does not bend. Like I'm trying to put some weight on that thing. It doesn't do anything. Oh my God, that's horrible. Nick, the guy's responsible for keeping the shop clean. You got one car, it's a daily driver, and you occasionally take it to the track. You want 2 pedals or 3?
3.
3.
Yeah.
The sweeping is done in such a neat order. I like it that you have a system. Ooh, muffins. All right, Joey working on an alignment. You got one car, it's a daily driver, and you occasionally take it to the track. 2 pedals or 3?
3.
Didn't even think about it. What kind of car?
I'm driving a Ford GT.
Ford GT. All right, the guy that works at the German shop. From the last video, Marco says that you are pronouncing Akrapovic the right way.
Oh, really?
How are you saying it again?
Krapovich?
Akrapovic. I guess I'll have to start learning how to say Akrapovic. What's Eric doing working on an Audi? Do you have lean condition codes or something? Checking for a vacuum leak?
Actually, I have an intake leak code stored.
I mean, there's a lot of oil there.
Yeah, oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm pretty positive that's one of them, but I'm trying to get it to seal over here.
This timing cover right here is really common to leak oil, which it looks like it is. Oil will run down the side of this valve cover here, drip down under the intake manifold and onto the plastic water pump, which you can't see. Then the oil gets into the seal of that pump, it swells the seal and it cracks the plastic water pump, and now you have a coolant leak. And then you have to explain to a customer that you have a coolant leak because of an oil leak. It's Volkswagen things. Eric,
Yes.
You got one car,
Yes.
and it's a daily driver, and you take it to the track occasionally.
Okay.
2 pedals or 3?
2.
2. Really?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like PDK style or DCT?
DCT.
Yeah, BMW
DCT.
guy, right?
Yes.
Got it. Cool. If you guys are watching, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. AR would like to know what's happening in my garage and would like an update. Sure, why not? And here it is, JB's Garage. It's right here. So if you guys haven't checked it out before, I've got a 3-car garage. Up there, we just hung the official Jamie's Garage sign, which was given to me by the guys at the shop. They gave it to me as a Christmas gift. I was completely blown away. That thing is solid steel. It was laser cut by our neighbor, Luke the welder, and it lights up blue. Like it lights up everything. It's amazing. It looks so good at night. All right, let's go in here. So it's a big mess. It's kind of dark in here. The electricity is turned off right now because we had all the lights that were up. They had to take all the lights down. We're removing the ceiling. If you guys remember on an earlier video, this right here was a complete wall. That whole section there was a solid wall. I think there was a door in this area. We removed the wall. And then in here, the previous owners had donkeys. So the donkeys would live in this like area right here, and that was the door to come in and out. It was all insulated for them. We had to remove all of that. This was a wall. This right here was like a workshop area. We've removed most of the wall. We can't remove all of it yet because it is still structural. This up here was a storage unit. In fact, you can see the stairs that would come up there. This was all storage. We're removing all of that because the ceiling was just too low, and I'm trying to put a lift here. Once I get a 2-post lift, we can raise the car completely and do our work right here. Now, this post is huge. I mean, this is a single, look how thick this thing is. That is huge. I don't know how much that weighs. We're gonna have to get that removed, but that's only gonna come down after they finish out these beams. So we hired the dirty carpenter. He's doing an excellent job. These beams right here, they go up and then come back down. We're gonna continue that all the way down, and then we're basically gonna cut out everything underneath of it. So we're gonna have, you know, this second half of the shop is gonna be these cathedral ceilings so we can fit the car lift and get under the car. Obviously, we still have a lot of work to do. We're doing the best we can with what we have. Right now, I'm currently working outside. If you guys, I don't know if this video is gonna come out before or after that one, but we've got something really cool coming up for that. In the meantime, I'm heading out to Cars and Coffee. If you guys would like to follow along, let's go. And looks like we're getting in line right now behind a Dynan M3. My dad's M3 is behind me. It's pretty cool. I wanted one of our favorite members out there. One of our favorite members out there. So this Ferrari 355, I actually did the engine out service on this car. I did that. I did a lot of the brakes. I worked on this car. I did a lot of work on this. Oh, this one's actually got a manual. Hard to see through the reflection, but that's a manual gearbox. What do you guys prefer, the GT3 Touring or the GT3 RS? Beautiful. I like both. Dude, look at these wheels. These are insane. So this thing's got a unique feature. It's got air conditioning. Air blows right into there and right into the cabin. It is the Thermador. Man, that is so cool. Get it? Some cars just have more personality than others. This one has a ton of personality. I could just walk around this thing. Like, it's got a little chain, tire tread around the thing. Man. Oh, check this out. Look at that shifter. An ammo box for center console. Oh, I just realized a leaf spring for a front bumper. Look at that thing, the steering wheel.
Yeah, I like, you know, for me, 4 feet all day,
Man, that's so cool. Oh, the door handles, welded sockets. The interior in this thing looks really nice. I love these old rat rods. These things, they've got to be the most uncomfortable car ever to drive, but they look so cool. I mean, the seats are like on the floor. Dude, that, like, your ass is about a half an inch from the road. You can't hit anything.